Hi everybody, we're in my basement. I just wanted to show you my sump pump. There it is. There, you can see everything. Sump pump is getting slower and slower. Okay, this is normal. It always rises like this. The sump pump is running for nothing. It puts back the water where the water is coming from to go in the sump. So every time, the water that's rising up coming in the sump pump, in the sump pit, it's the same water that was in the place that the sump pump let it go. And here, of course, we have check valve. Lets water go this way and not come back. There, see? This thing. Okay. So yeah, it's all. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.